Hi everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo, and in this video I'll quickly show you how to install our templates for Excel. As you can see, I'm on our templates list right here. We have templates for inventory, finance, education, and a lot more. I'll show you our inventory template and how you install it on Excel. You can install the template on this button right here, and by default it now says install on SharePoint, but if you click this drop down, you'll see that you have other options. We can install the template on our Google Drive, which means that you'll get the Google Sheets version, of course, or on OneDrive, Dropbox, or SharePoint. Those three options will give you the Excel versions of our templates. Let's click install on OneDrive. There we go. Sheetgo has now created the Excel files in your OneDrive and create the connections between them. The template opened the master sheet automatically, but let me show you how it looks like in our web application. We have the workflow view of our template right here, and you see that the Excel files, check-in, check-out, and the master sheet are stored on OneDrive. You can open them from directly inside Sheetgo. Remove the sample data that is in your check-in and check-out sheet with your own, of course. And you can do this in the online version or open the desktop app and directly add it in there. Once you've filled out your check-in and check-out, you then simply go back to Sheetgo to run the workflow to update the connections back into your master sheet and dashboard. If you do not want to do this manually every time you need up-to-date information, you click on Automate to schedule automatic updates. And click on Share right here to share this entire workflow and the Excel files with any team member. To add more files to this workflow, it could be Google Sheets, Excel, CSV files, for example, from your purchasing order or your sales department. You can do that by clicking Connect. In the Connections tab right here, you'll see your two connections, the check-in and check-out, that bring the data into your master sheet. You can update them right here as well. And of course, here a list of the files that you can open directly from here. So you can either open and edit your template files from directly inside Sheetgo, or go to your OneDrive where you'll find our Sheetgo templates folder, and here you'll see our inventory management folder with the Excel files inside. There we go. This is how you simply install the Excel version of our template on either SharePoint, OneDrive, or Dropbox. If you have any questions about this, do not hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help you. Thank you.